Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. A, B and C are pipes attached to a water tank. A and B are inlet pipes, whereas C is an outlet pipe. A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours and 5 hours respectively. If A, B and C are opened together, so all A, B and C are working. Now A and B are inlet pipes and A can fill a tank in 6 hours. So A will fill 1/6 of the tank and B can fill it in 5 hours, means B will fill 1/5 of the tank. They are both inlet, so they are both positive work, and C is an outlet pipe. Now we will assume that C can fully empty the tank in C hours, which means that every hour 1/C part of the tank will be emptied, and that will be negative work. A and B are doing positive work and C is doing negative work because C is an outlet pipe. So if A, B and C are opened together, the tank will be fully filled in 3 hours. So if all A, B and C are working, it will be fully filled in 3 hours, means every hour 1/3 of the tank will be filled. Like that it will be fully filled in 3 hours. In how many hours can pipe C fully empty the tank? So it can be fully emptied in C hours. So C is what we need to find out. So negative 1/C, you will get it as 1/3 minus 1/6 minus 1/5. So 1/C, you will get it as 1/6 plus 1/5 minus 1/3. So we just need to solve this. The LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. So we'll make the denominator 30. Then we can easily find this value. Now here I'll multiply by 5. So that will be 5/30 plus 1/5. I'll multiply by 6. So that will be 6/30. Here I'll multiply by 10. So 10/30. So denominator same 30. So 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 10 is 1. So 1/C is equal to 1/30, or C is equal to 30. Pipe C can fully empty the tank in C hours, and C is equal to 30 hours. So in how many hours can pipe C fully empty the tank? That is in 30 hours, option D. A, B and C are pipes attached to a water tank. A and B are inlet pipes, whereas C is an outlet pipe. A and B can fill the tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. If A, B and C are opened together, then it will be fully filled in 10 minutes. So all A, B and C are opened together. Now A and B are filled pipes and they can fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. So A will fill 1/12 of the tank in 1 minute and B will fill 1/15 of the tank. C is an emptying pipe. So we will assume that every minute it can empty 1/C part of the tank. That is, it can be fully emptied by the pipe C in C minutes. So every minute it will empty 1/C part of the tank. Now if all 3 of the pipes are opened, the tank will be fully filled in 10 minutes, which means that every minute 1/10 will be filled. Now the question is, in how many minutes can pipe C fully empty the tank? So the value of C is what we need to find out. It can be fully emptied in C minutes, or every minute 1/C part of the tank will be emptied. So C we have to find out. So negative 1/C, you will get it as 1/10 minus 1/12 minus 1/15. or 1 by C you will get it as 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. Now here LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So we'll make the denominator same 60. So here I'll multiply by 5. So that is 5 by 60 plus here I'll multiply by 4. That is 4 by 60. Here I'll multiply by 6. So 6 by 60. Now we can easily calculate. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus the 6 by 60. That is 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 by 60. So that is equal to 1 by C. So 1 by C you will get it as 3 by 60. 3 divides 20 times. So that you will get it as 1 by 20. So 1 by C is 1 by 20, or C is equal to 20 hours. So in how many minutes can pipe C fully empty the tank? That is in C minutes, and C you will get it as 20 minutes. So time required is 20 minutes, option A. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 24 minutes and 32 minutes respectively. I just write that data here. A can fill it in 24 minutes and B can fill it in 32 minutes. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 18 minutes? So both A and B are opened simultaneously, and A works for the full 18 minutes. So every minute A will fill 1 by 24th of the tank. Like that for the full 18 minutes. Now B is closed after, let us say, X minutes. Every minute B will fill 1 by 32 of the tank, like that for X minutes. And after X minutes B is closed. And at the end of these 18 minutes, the whole tank will be filled, which can be considered as 1. So we just need to find out the value of X. That is, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 18 minutes. So after X minutes. So we just need to solve and calculate the value of X. LCM of 24 and 32 is 96. So we'll multiply throughout by 96. So all the denominators will go off. So there will be 96 into 18 by 24 plus 96 into X by 32. That is equal to 96. Here 24 divides 4 times. So 4 into 18. Plus here 32 divides 3 times. 3x is equal to 96. So 3x you will get it as 96 minus 4 into 18. 3 divides 32 times. Here 3 divides 6 times. So x you will get it as 32 minus 4 into 6 is 24. So x you will get it as 32 minus 24, 8. So x is equal to 8 minutes. So after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 18 minutes? After X minutes, and X you will get it as 8 minutes. So option C, 8 minutes. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 16 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 9 minutes? So you have two pipes A and B. A can fill it in 12 minutes and B can fill it in 16 minutes. And both the pipes are switched on simultaneously. So every minute A will fill 1 by 12th of the tank. And every minute B will fill 1 by 16th of the tank. The tank has to be filled in 9 minutes. So A works for the full 9 minutes, and every minute A will fill 1 by 12th of the tank. Now the question is, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 9 minutes? So we will assume that the pipe B should work for X minutes. And like that, in 9 minutes, the whole tank will be filled, which is considered as 1. So pipe A works for the full 9 minutes. Pipe B works for X minutes, and then pipe B is closed. And at the end of 9 minutes, the whole tank is filled, which can be considered as 1. So the question is, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed? That is after X minutes. So we just have to find out the value of X. Now the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. So we'll multiply throughout by 48. So 48 into 9 by 12 plus 48x by 16. That is equal to 48. Now here 12 divides 4 times. So 4 into 9 plus 16 divides 3 times plus, so that will be 3x is equal to 48. So 3x you will get it as 48 minus 4 into 9. 3 divides 16 times, here 3 divides 3 times. So x you will get it as 16 minus 4 into 3, 12. So x you will get it as 16 minus 12 is 4. So after how many minutes should pipe B be closed? That is after x minutes, and x is equal to 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, so pipe B should be closed after 4 minutes. So option D, 4 minutes. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 6 minutes and 8 minutes respectively. So I'll just mark the data here. So A can fill a tank in 6 minutes and B can fill it in 8 minutes. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 4.5 minutes? So every minute A will fill 1 by 6 of the tank, and A has to work for the full 4.5 minutes. And every minute A will fill 1 by 6 of the tank. Now B should be shut down after X minutes. So B will work for X minutes, and every minute B will fill 1 by 8 of the tank. And like that, in 4.5 minutes, the whole tank can be filled, which can be considered as 1. Now the question is, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 4.5 minutes? So pipe B should work for X minutes. So pipe B should be closed after X minutes. So we'll just solve and calculate the value of x. Now the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So we'll multiply throughout by 24. So all the denominators will go off. So 4.5 into 24 by 6 plus x into 24 by 8, that is equal to 1 into 24, 24. Now 6 divides 4 times. So 4.5 into 4. 4.5 into 2 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Here 8 divides 3 times plus 3x is equal to 24. So 3x you will get it as 24 minus 18. So 3x is equal to 24 minus 18 is 6. 3 divides 2 times, so x is equal to 2 minutes. So after how many minutes should pipe B be closed? That is after x minutes. Pipe B should work for x minutes and x is equal to 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, hence option B, 2 minutes. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests, and these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only rupees 200. So all that you need to do is make a payment of rupees 200 either through Google Pay or through PhonePe or through Paytm, and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.